So from point A, the angle of elevation to the top of a building is 32 degrees. So what they're saying this is 32 degrees because this is the top of the building. Right here, this is the building. Walking 70 meters closer, the angle changes to 44 degrees. So when you walk 70 meters closer, the angle of elevation changes to 44 degrees. How high is the building? So what they're trying to find X, or let's maybe call it the H for height. Okay, so here we go. We'll start working on this. So let's write a few things down. So definitely, so, ka, tawa. Also here, I think we need to know the sine law, which is A over sine A equals B over sine B equals C over sine C capital. Of course, this here, we use this with non-right angle triangles. So Sokatawa is right angle triangles. The sine law here is for non-right angle triangles. To find the height, you need something or a length of a side and this smaller triangle right here. And to be able to do that, I'm going to use the sine law to find this. I'm going to call this X. So now let's find out what the angles inside this triangle, the non-right angle triangle right here. So let's find what the angles are equal. So if this is 44, then this is 136 because that adds up to 180. Angles on a line, they add up to 180. So 136 plus 44 is 180. Now we need to find this third angle as well. So here we have to go 180 minus 36, which gives me 44, minus 32, which gives me 12. And this angle here is 12 degrees. Yeah. So now I'm going to start using the sine law. So if I want to find angle X, I'm going to go X over sine 32 equals 70 over sine 12. Now, some students could ask me, say, how did you come up with this? What is A? What is A? So basically what you're doing here, you're trying to find X. So you go X over the sine that's of the angle that's opposite to X. And the angle that's opposite to X is this one, even though it kind of look strange because it's an obtuse angle here, but X is opposite to 32. So you go X over sine 32 equals, you're given 70, so you have to work with the 70. So you go 70 over the sine of the angle that's opposite to 70, and the angle that's opposite to the side 70 is the 12. And that's how we do that. Now just cross multiply the 32, the sine 32, sorry, there, and you'll get X equals 70 times sine 32 all over sine 12. And we'll use the calculator, make sure you're in degree mode, and you could use the calculator to find that out. And X equals 178.4. So now we know this is 178.4. Once you found this side here, now we're going to look at this right angle triangle right here. We're trying to, and we're going to use the angle 44. We're trying to find the opposite side of, which is the height, which is opposite to angle 44. And we're given the hypotenuse, which is the side that's opposite to the right angle. This is definitely the right there, because sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So I'm going to use that to find the height of the building. Sine 44 equals the opposite H over the hypotenuse, which is 178.4. And now you just cross the 178 into the sen 44, and so you'll get H equals 178.4 times sine 44. And I get 123, or we round it to the nearest one. So we'll just get 124 meters.